Our grandmothers knew the value of a dollar and had plenty of tricks up their sleeves to save money, especially when it came to laundry. Let's unfold the secrets to efficient, cost-effective laundry practices that have stood the test of time. Hack 1. Serenades for stain removal. Grandma believed in the power of a good serenade to loosen the toughest of stains. Armed with a scrubbing brush and her favorite tunes, she'd sing directly to the stains, convinced that the combination of melody and positive vibrations helped break them down before the wash. It might sound far-fetched, but consider the science of sound waves and their impact on physical matter. Perhaps Grandma was onto something. Hack 2. Lunar soak sessions. According to Grandma, the best time to tackle stubborn stains wasn't based on the clock but the calendar, aligning stain, soaking nights with the full moon's peak. She insisted that its gravitational pull would enhance the water's stain, lifting capabilities. While modern science may raise an eyebrow, there's no denying the allure of sinks and household tasks with celestial events. Hack 3. Potato power. Who needs chemical stain removers when you have potatoes? Grandma used raw potato slices to rub on stains, claiming the natural enzymes in the spud worked wonders on removing grime. This method, while quirky, is a nod to the resourcefulness of past generations, making do with what was readily available in the pantry. Hack 4. Bread as a deodorant eraser. Forget fancy sprays and soaks. Grandma dabbed at perspiration stains with a piece of white bread. The bread, she claimed, absorbed the stain and odor like magic. In a world before waste, this hack not only tackled laundry issues, but also found a use for stale bread that might otherwise be thrown out. Hack 5. The deep freeze freshen up. For clothes that weren't quite dirty enough for a full wash, but needed a refresh, the freezer was Grandma's go-to solution. Overnight freezing was said to kill odor, causing bacteria, saving water, and wear on fabrics. This approach speaks volumes about the past generations' understanding of conservation and sustainable living. Hack 6. Whiskey whitening. A capful of whiskey wasn't just for the drinking glass, it found its way into the wash too. Grandma added a splash to her laundry to brighten whites, swearing by its natural bleaching effect. Beyond its cleaning capabilities, this hack illustrates the no-waste mentality that made alcohol a multitasking household staple. Hack 7. Laundry stomping. Before mechanical agitators, there was Grandma's method. Stomping on the laundry in a tub, much like grapes being crushed for wine. This physical agitation was believed to loosen dirt and stains effectively, blending a bit of fun and exercise into the chore. Hack 8. Volcanic clean. To clean her washing machine, Grandma initiated a volcanic reaction with baking soda and vinegar, mimicking the school science project Volcano. This not only cleaned and deodorized the machine, but also was a testament to her knack for using simple household ingredients in innovative ways. Hack 9. Magnetic attraction. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Placing strong magnets in the washing machine was Grandma's secret weapon for softer water, which she believed enhanced the detergent's power. While the science remains debatable, it's a fascinating example of her experimental nature and willingness to merge old wives' tales with empirical observation. Hack 10. Fate determined soap nuts. Using soap nuts instead of detergent was common, but Grandma added a twist, letting fate decide the quantity. She'd shake the container of soap nuts, and however many fell out determined the amount used. This blend of practicality and mysticism added a touch of magic to mundane tasks. Hack 11. Wool whisperer. Grandma treated her wool garments with extra care, including whispering words of encouragement to them before hand washing. She believed that speaking kindly to wool items would prevent them from shrinking. A whimsical reminder of the time when clothing care was as much about ritual as it was about necessity. Hack 12. Lullabies for linen softening. Humming lullabies over her linens as they washed, Grandma claimed this practice softened the fabric and imbued it with a comforting energy. While science might struggle to back this up, it's a heartwarming example of how love and attention were integral to every aspect of homemaking. Hack 13. Collecting rainwater for the ultimate rinse. Grandma swore by the use of collected rainwater for washing clothes, praising its natural softening properties and purity. This practice not only highlights an eco-friendly approach to water usage, but also connects laundry day to the natural world in a profound way. Hack 14. Solar patterns for enhanced bleaching. Beyond simply using sunlight for drying, Grandma arranged clothes in specific patterns and used stones to channel solar energy for maximum stain-fighting power. This method, part laundry technique and part sun worship, demonstrates a deep respect for the sun's cleansing power. Hack 15. Charms for clothing care. Sewing small charms or tokens into the seams of clothing wasn't just for luck. Grandma believed it offered protection against wear, tears, and fading. This enchanting hack blends superstition with the heartfelt hope of prolonging the life of cherished garments. Hack 16. The tincture of time technique. Some stains, Grandma maintained, required not just chemical intervention but the passage of time. She'd treat a stain, then store the garment away, sometimes for months, under the belief that time itself would gradually erase the mark. This slow care approach challenges our instant gratification culture, suggesting patience as a forgotten ingredient in stain removal. Hack 17. Herbal intentions for detergent. Before mixing her homemade detergent, Grandma would hold the ingredients close, whispering her intentions for cleanliness and fabric care into them. She believed that imbuing the mixture with purpose made the cleaning more effective, a lovely blend of intentionality and home chemistry. Hack 18. The laundry dance. Performing a specific laundry dance around the washing machine was Grandma's way of infusing the wash cycle with positive energy. This ritual, a blend of dance and domesticity, was said to ensure a perfect clean, highlighting the joy she found in even the most mundane tasks. Hack 19. Conversations with clothes. Grandma talked to her clothes, asking them to release dirt and stains willingly. This peculiar yet endearing practice was all about sending positive vibes into the wash, reminding us that care and attention were once considered vital to the cleaning process. Hack 20. Dreaming the clothes dry. Perhaps the most mystical of all, Grandma would hang her clothes to dry, then take a nap to dream them dry. She believed her dreams could influence the drying process, ensuring clothes were ready quicker. This hack, blending the practical with the fantastical, epitomizes the unique blend of belief and pragmatism that characterized Grandma's approach to laundry. Grandma's laundry hacks transport us to a world where cleaning clothes was interwoven with magic, mystery, and a profound connection to the natural and spiritual worlds. While modern conveniences have streamlined our chores, these tales from Grandma's laundry room remind us of the richness that comes from blending tradition, intuition, and a bit of enchantment into our daily routines.